hey, have you ever been driving your car and I don't know, it breaks down? I don't know. Well, if it hasn't happened, good for you. But if it does, you probably want to be prepared. And we're here with Brian Weber, who knows a lot about cars, a lot of different cars. Brian, what is just the most basic tools that somebody should just keep in their car just in case?
Well, yeah, it's a really great question. So
I can think like a screwdriver.
I'd say back up even more than that. Most important is a charged cell phone, right?
Okay. Oh, geez. Okay. See.
Right?
Yeah, that's right.
There's not much you can do on your own. So
That's
a charged
right.
cell phone's one. Flashlight,
Okay.
blanket, bottled water, flares, not a bad thing. So you can put some flares out
Yep,
behind you if it's a dark road and
Yeah.
you broke down. Let's say the battery's dead and you can't put the flashers on. So some sort of flare that you can put behind it's a great idea. And the really good flashlights will be like a car emergency flashlight. So it's rechargeable. It'll have a USB port so you can charge your phone on it, and on the end will be a sharp, like kind of a V-shaped
is that
tool,
the thing to break
so
the
you break the
window?
glass
Yeah.
in case you have to
I've
get
seen
out
it.
and you
It's
can't
neat.
open the door.
Yeah.
And a lot of those will also have a knife that you could stick and cut the seatbelt, just in case
Okay,
you
yeah.
can't unbuckle the seatbelt. So-
Underwater or something.
Yeah.
Or hanging upside down after a.
Yeah, or an accident, you can't get to the release.
As far as tools, and because actually, screwdriver, I wouldn't even really know what to do with a screwdriver. I probably wouldn't.
Seriously,
let's
not
get
much you can
realistic
do.
about that. Is there anything you should have that people can really do these days on
No.
these cars? I mean,
No.
they're pretty. Cars are pretty modern and they're pretty new. They're like
Yeah.
the Jupiter 2. If you ever watch Lost in Space,
Yeah.
they're crazy.
There really is very, very few, less than 1% of breakdowns where any tools that will do you any good on the side of the road.
Yeah.
Unless you have like a full mechanics tool set, and scanners and parts.
And understand how to use it. That's the thing too.
And then
So-
parts, because
Yeah, well, you got me actually when you say go back, just have a good cell phone. It's true.
It is.
Be ready for the fact that even if something simple happens in your car, you might not be able to do anything about it anyway. So be ready to help yourself out that way. So Weber Automotive, they can help you with your car. They can help with great advice about when you're with your car alone on some dark road. So Brian and his group are really good guys, and they do really good work on automobiles. So WeberAutomotive.com. Check it out if you haven't already. We have some other fun videos there some good information that can help you keep your car in top shape. So Brian, thanks so much.
Thanks, Randy.